Hello everyone. This project is meant for hotel aggregator analysis using Power BI. There are in total three sections for this project. Section 1, project overview. Section 2, data analysis using Power BI. And Section 3, key insights. Section 1, project overview. This project aims to analyze a data set of hotel aggregator listings using Power BI. The objective is to create comprehensive visualizations and insights that shed light on trends, patterns, and factors influencing the performance of listings. This will help to explore key metrics such as pricing, availability, host characteristics, and review scores to derive actionable insights for improving the overall quality and competitiveness of the listings. The dataset description. In the entire hotel aggregator dataset, there are in total 23,185 listings with 75 unique columns or attributes. A variety of data points captured are listings, host, reviews, availability, etc. Section 2, data analysis using Power BI. The key areas of analysis are geographical insights, which will tell us where are the most popular locations and most concentrations located. Pricing and availability, which will ensure that how do prices vary based on property type, room type, and capacity. What are the peak availability periods? Host performance, which will tell us the superhost status, response time, or verification methods that affects the listing performances. Review scores and guest satisfaction, which will tell us how do review scores impact performance. Can we identify areas of improvement? Property type and room type analysis. In this type of analysis, we will be answering questions like what are the most popular property and room type? Are there any changing trends? Step 1 will is to load and transform data using the Power Query editor. Step 2, we'll begin the data visualization using the Power BI desktop tool. As part of the analysis, first I did the geographic distribution analysis, which was between listings by host neighborhood and the geographical concentration of listings. I've used a slicer as host neighborhood. Second, pricing and availability analysis. Therein, I did the price by property type, price by room type, price by accommodates, and availability and neighborhoods. Host characteristics and performance analysis. I've used a pie chart to actually verify host. The blue color on the pie chart represents that the host status as superhost is false. The orange represents true. And as for blue, it is not verified. Secondly, I've used three cards for communication review scorecard, cleanliness review scorecard, and rating review scorecard. Coming to property and room type analysis, we did an analysis using host listings count by property type and host listing count by room type. Section 3, key insights. Let's now see what are the findings we derived after the analysis. Number 1, geographical insights. Popular neighborhood was Melbourne, Australia with 31% of listings. followed by Port Phillip with 11%. Host concentration. High concentration of hosts were recorded in Newton and More neighborhood. Pricing and availability analysis. Highest price was recorded for Casa particular property with average price $9652.50. Room type bestseller was entire home and apartment. Availability patterns. The highest availability pattern was recorded in 2016. Host performance. A total of 72.6% of votes are false on Superhost influence on listings. Performance. Response time and verification. These features positively affected the results and performance with 5-star rating. Review scores and guest satisfaction. Review scores impact. The higher the response and acceptance rate, the higher the review score to up to 5-star. Areas of improvement. Cleanliness can significantly be improved. Property type and room type. Property distribution. The most prevalent property type is an entire rental unit with 42.5% of the listings. Room type trends. Most popular room type are entire home/apartments followed by private room. These are the 4 recommendations. Number 1, targeted listings. Based on the popular neighborhoods and property room type trends, hosts can optimize their listings to cater to specific guest preferences in high demand areas. Pricing strategies. Pricing strategies should consider factors like property type, room capacity, and peak seasons. Host support. The source platform should offer resources or incentives to encourage faster response times, increased host verification methods, all of which can positively impact listing performance. Guest feedback integration. Integrate guest feedback from reviews into listing improvement suggestions for host. This can address areas like cleanliness or amenities. The conclusion. By understanding geographical trends, pricing dynamics, host characteristics, and guest satisfaction factors, the platform can empower hosts to optimize their listings and attract more bookings. Utilizing these insights, the platform can further enhance its overall listing quality and competitiveness in the market. Thank you, everyone.